And you thought, what's the difference with traffic objective and catalog objective if the goal was link clicks? I think you're asking for my opinion. What's the difference between traffic objective and catalog sales objective if the goal was link clicks? That's a good one. Of course, the difference would be if you are using if you are using catalog on traffic, which you can, right? I think, Cecilia, if you're asking this question, probably you have a catalog. Either you have CPaaS or you have your own e-commerce website. Now, if you use traffic, you can still choose catalog, and you can, if you want to optimize for link click, which is fine. Now, CPaaS is the same thing. You can choose the catalog. Of course, when you go CPaaS, it has to be a catalog. And you can actually choose the optimization to a link click, a landing page view, or any so-called conversion events that you want. Now, first thing first, traffic is only optimizing for link click and landing page view. And catalog, you are able to optimize for the conversion event. That's one thing. Now, the other difference, if you ask about these two things, is traffic do not allow you to do catalog-based retargeting, which inside the catalog, you're able to only retarget people who interacted with your catalog, like view or add to cart, but did not purchase in the past X number of days. And even you can do different combination, like you want to target people who added to cart but did not purchase, or you want to even target people who purchase and all these things, which is possible. So catalog, in my opinion, if you have e-commerce business, or you have CPaaS access, if you're selling on Shopee or Lazada, you should really consider using CPaaS. Yeah. And for those who need help with CPaaS, I recently launched Facebook ads for CPaaS Masterclass, CPaaS Facebook ads Masterclass, or either way you call it. No, that's really the program where I really walk you through on how to really build, not just walk through the features and all that, but how to build a two-step funnel Facebook ads campaign using CPaaS itself. So that's something that you want to consider to enroll if that's what you needed to learn.